Alright, welcome back. Today is episode 4 of Chococate's Little Chef, and I have a very little pretty cute girl here who's going to be part of this special episode. Her name is
Ananya,
Hi Ananya. How old are you?
9.
9 years old. And which school do you go to?
Orchids.
Orchids. Alright. So Ananya, thank you for coming on the show and warm welcome to you. We're going to make something really nice today. Something that you can make it yourself after you go back home. So are you excited?
Yes.
Alright. So let me walk you through all the recipe ingredients and what we're going to make. Okay. We're going to make a banana oatmeal mug cake. Do you know what's a mug cake?
No.
Okay. So this mug cake or a cupcake as you would say, it's not really a cupcake but it's a mug cake. We put all the ingredients in the cup, mix it together and put it in the microwave to bake. Alright. So we have here ripe bananas, we have some vanilla essence, melted Amul butter, some little milk, we've got some oats. Now these are oats which I have just kind of heated a little bit and ground it. Okay, so it's like powder. Can you see it's textured little powder? Then we have some sugar and maida and baking soda. Okay. So Ananya, are you ready to make this dessert?
Yes.
Okay, before we start, what do you otherwise like to do in the kitchen at home? Do you like to...
I like to make things on my own, like easy things, but then my mother doesn't allow me to.
Oh, mama doesn't. So this I will get you permission from your mama to make. How about that, yeah?
Huh.
But you can always help your mama, no? Do you help your mama to make something?
Yes.
Like what? What do you like making?
Sometimes, like every Saturday, we eat Maggi for breakfast.
Huh.
So then we make that, and then I help my mother that mix and put all the masala in.
Okay, and do you like to chop vegetables and things like that?
My mother does not
Allow
allow.
you. Okay, so I'm going to tell your mama to help buy one knife which you get for kids, which is not sharp, and then you can chop and help her. How about that?
Yeah.
So, but do you like to make sweets? Have you tried making any sweets anytime?
Yes.
What did you make?
I made an Oreo roll.
An Oreo roll. Sounds exciting. Okay, so tell me, how did you make that Oreo roll?
We separated the Oreos and the cream. We crushed the Oreos and then we just put some milk onto the Oreos and made it like a dough. We then put some milk with the cream, mixed it and spread it over and rolled it.
Very nice. I'm sure it was very tasty, isn't it?
Yes.
Well done. So, Nanya, are you ready to start making the first mug cake that you would like to make? And I'm not going to come in between. You can make it all by yourself. Yeah?
Yes.
Alright. So first you need to add the bananas into this. Okay, this is just a whisk that you can kind of stir it out. So do you want to put the bananas into the mug?
Yes.
Yeah. Now what you need to do is use this whisk, okay, and make a nice squishy paste of it. Come on. Let's see how you do that. Yeah, just do that. Yeah, it has to be really nice. I'll hold it for you. Yeah. Just turn it round and round and it will become alright. Yeah. So mug cakes are really good because you know what? It is just one portion and you can do it yourself. And then the one big full mug you can make and half of it you can eat it now and then you can keep half in the fridge and eat it later. So well done Ananya. The bananas look really squashed and nice. Okay. And now we don't make it like a paste. We leave a few pieces so that when you're eating the cake you can get a few pieces in your mouth. Yeah. Which is your favorite fruit?
Mango and lychee.
Mango and lychee, but we don't have mango season yet. Bananas, do you like bananas or no?
Yes.
You like bananas, right? Okay, next in this we are going to add the sugar. Okay, so can you add the sugar? You can take the spatula and add the sugar inside the mug. We've just taken castor sugar. All the measurements and the recipe for this cake will be posted in the comments. You can check there. And Ananya, I'm going to share that with you as well so that you can make it at home. Okay, can you stir that together? Yeah. Just bring the sugar and the banana together. That's nice. So see, it's become even more slushy, slurpy now once the sugar is added. So we are going to next add the milk. Alright. So all the liquid ingredients go first and then last in the end we add the maida and the oats. Okay. Then the vanilla essence. Okay. And the melted butter. Okay. So it's got all the tasty things in it. Yeah, it's got butter, it's got the vanilla essence, it's got the milk and bananas. Okay, can you stir this in again? Okay, now this will become like a mushy banana puree. To this we will add the oats. This is oats. Yeah. You don't like oats? You have had oats?
Yes.
You like oats?
Yes.
Okay, and then we'll add the maida. Okay, and to this we are going to add a pinch of baking powder. Can you pinch and put a little pinch of baking powder? Yeah, a little more, maybe. Yes. Okay, now gently bring this all together. So Ananya, do you like vanilla or do you like chocolate?
Chocolate.
So Ananya, your wish is my command, and I can't make a dessert which doesn't have choco chips. So we're going to add a few choco chips inside this. Are you ready for that?
Yes.
Okay. Alright. Now add a few choco chips on top. So any recipe you make at home, kids, you want to make it better, just add a little bit of chocolate. You can add choco chips, you can add chopped chocolate, whatever you like. Yeah. Is that enough or you need more? I think you need more. Add a little more of chocolate. Isn't it more fun when you add a little more chocolate? Lovely. So now our mix is ready, as you can see. Now we are going to put this in the microwave and just microwave it for like 4 or 5 minutes. Yeah. Alright Ananya, so let's do a high five. We just put our first dessert to cook in the microwave, okay? And while that is getting done, I'm going to ask you a few rapid fire questions.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Alright. So tell me, if you had to be a dessert or some sweet dish, who do you think you would be?
Chocolate mousse.
Chocolate mousse, and why?
Because I like to eat mousse.
Okay, and it's very smooth and it's got chocolate chips in between and all of that. And you have a lot of friends?
Yes.
Alright, and if you had to make something, you had to invite all of them home and you had to make something special for them, what would you make?
Chocolate cake.
A chocolate cake. Okay, I'm so glad. Otherwise, all kids say ice cream. I'm really glad that you said Ananya, you said chocolate cake. And if you had to really make something special for your parents, then what would you make?
Like my friends, they know to make like the vanilla cake, other types of cake they know to make from biscuits.
Huh.
So then we would make that cake and give it to them.
Okay, nice. Now you've learned to make the oatmeal banana mug cake. You can just transfer that recipe onto a tin and you can make that for your friends as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Okay. So today we made this oatmeal banana mug cake. What was the most fun part of the entire process?
Adding the chocolate.
Adding the choco chips, isn't it? Alright, so let's just see if our dessert is ready. Yeah? Ananya, our oatmeal banana mug cake is ready. It's kind of hot. So I want you to gently take a bite from the top, taste and tell me how do you think it has worked out. I see it's hot, huh? Be careful. You've taken all the chocolate, isn't it? Do you want to take a little bit of the cake? See on that side there's some cake. How's it?
It's nice.
It's nice, isn't it? Do you taste the banana?
Yes.
Yeah? Is the flavor of the banana really nice and good? Okay.
Yes.
And does it pair with the chocolate well?
Yeah.
So it was a good idea, isn't it? To add some choco chips. So Ananya, if we had to rate this dessert out of 10, how much would you rate it?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. So let's do a high five on that. Thank you so much for coming for our show today and to make this lovely dessert. Do you promise me you're going to try this at home once you go back?
Yes.
Awesome.